Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got this G37 that me and JD right here, we're going to be putting in airlift suspension.
Wiring already
Yeah, so I think he bought this kit used, so all wiring is already included. Got the remote and we got the air tank right here. So that's what we're going to be doing today on this G37. And also guys, we have a huge announcement. So me and JD have been talking for a while and we're thinking of opening up a shop, so we're going to be able to work on anyone's car and everyone's cars. And that way, like when people send me their cars to do the front end conversions as well, we're thinking of getting a warehouse, and maybe instead of acting like just a shop, it's better to get a warehouse because they're bigger, we can fit more cars in it. So it has like AC and all that. And location wise, we haven't really decided yet, but hopefully like what, Oxnard or the Valley, somewhere in between that area.
LA, basically, tell them.
Yeah, so somewhere close to LA area, but that will be later on sometime next year, so stay tuned for that. For now, we're gonna get started on this airbag install. JD's gonna get started on the wiring process and taking the interior apart. You're gonna run the airlines through the inside, right? Yeah, so he's gonna be doing that, and I'll be changing all the struts and putting in the rear airbags and the front airbags. All right, so we got the wheels off. Looks like he's got some TN coilovers in here. We got JD already doing the wiring. You guys can tell he's already setting this up. And then the owner actually made this himself. So this is where the wires and airlines are gonna go through. The manifold's gonna be somewhere right here, and the tank in the back. So that's gonna be going on. So right now I'm just gonna take off all the coilovers. So it's coilovers, these bolts up here. We're gonna have to remove this bar, and we got to remove these 17, I'm pretty sure there's 17 millimeters on each side. So these come off, and the whole strut assembly will come off. Remove this, get the air lines or the brake lines off. This one's actually loose, as you guys can see. I'm just untightening it with my hand, which is not good, but luckily it's a little tight. Off. These come off. These just slide right in. So that's off. So this strut just needs the bolts on top right there to come out, the 3 of them. This one, and the whole strut comes out. And then the new airbag bolts in the exact same way. So let's get to it. Alright, got the first coilover out. Pretty simple. JD taught me that, I guess it's different on the G37s. You can remove this bracket that's on the side. So this one goes right here. Pop it out, whole coilover comes down. So pretty way better design than the G35, but that one's out. We're gonna move on to the back one. Alright, and then back here for this one, we got this 17. We got this 17 that I already took out. And then we got the 2 12s up top right there, that one and that one. And then this whole strut comes out, and this spring. All right, so we got one rear airbag right here with the bracket, the big washer that goes below the bucket right here, down below. So we're gonna have to drill a hole right through the middle right here. So this can bolt up in there. And then we got the shock strut right here. Good to go. So I'm gonna ask the owner right now if he wants this maxed out, so when he airs out, it sits at its lowest setting it can. All right, so Got my drill bit in here. I'm gonna put this down below, right there. Mark it, and then we're gonna drill a hole right through it. All right, so we got the driver rear is on. And we got JD still running airlines now. You already finished the wiring, huh?
Everything is routed to where it's supposed to be, pretty much.
Okay, so you guys have it. So the owner said that he wants the remote right here, so that's where we're gonna be putting it. So JD's running it down the line right there to the carpet. I'm gonna jump over here to the driver front, and then I'll get into removing and installing the passenger side. All right, so right here we have the front one. He's brand new, so we got the fitting, the 1/4 line fitting, the braided hose. So we're gonna put some Teflon on both of these. Bolt this up to this, and then this to here, and then this goes into this line right here. Rear, good to go. JD is just about done laying all the wire in. Got him chilling inside the trunk right here. So he's got the management already plugged in. And then right now I'm just gonna jump over to the passenger side, start taking off the coilovers and put the airbags on. All right, so I just finished putting in the rear on the passenger side. But then right here we ran into a little dilemma. So this tank is meant more for like a cleaner look to hide the compressor. So all the holes are in the back of it. But it has four holes. We're only gonna use 2, but we need 2 plugs and we're 1 short. So we're gonna have to go and make a trip to Home Depot to get 1 more plug for this. All right, got the old coilovers up in this box, the fronts, and then you got the rears in this box now. So that's gonna be for the owner. Wheels are back on. JD just finished wiring up everything, and we just put everything back together. So let's test it out. All right, so his mount is supposed to be double-sided taped on, but I have this one that mounts to the vent with the magnetic thing, so that's what we're going to be giving him instead of that other piece. So that just goes right there, and then let's just take this off, and there we go. All right, start her up. All right, so one little complication, we just had to flip this fuse, so now it's good to go. Compressor is on. All right, so the presets are at 65s front, 70s rear, 80s, 85, 100. So we're gonna do 100s just to be safe. Tear it out, see how she looks. Manually. Oh wait, there it goes. Damn, oh my god, what? Look at this, oh my god.
Maybe it's laying frame, that might be sus. Holy shit.
What?
Wait. Oh, it's sitting on the exhaust.
It's sitting on the exhaust?
Look at it.
Alright, hold up. Let me see. Yeah, I see that. I mean, it's up to him. He said he wanted it aired out. Let's look at the front. Damn. That's low. Close the door real quick. Damn. So as you guys can see, that is hella slammed. tucking wheels, tucking 20s, and really tucking 20s in the rear. Alright, so we adjusted his settings. So this is going to be the normal driving height. So it looks like it's about the same height when he had the coilovers on, which still looks good. 100s in the front and 75s in the rear. Alright, so JD's going to air it out so you guys can see how this looks. Oh, there it goes. So, bro, that rear tuck right there, though, like, damn. Get a quick walk around of the car so you guys can check it out. First airbag client that we get. Alright, air it up. Is it letting you air up or no? Oh wait, yeah, there it goes. Nice.
Is it Zach?
So that cop came up to us right now to talk about the car because he saw how we were playing around with it, airing it up and down. So he wanted to check it out. So right now we're gonna wait for the owner. He should be here in a bit, and then we'll get his reaction. So we got the owner.
Yeah, I was working on it. Wiring and airlines, he did the suspension.
Yeah. So did you download the app?
Yeah.
You want to check it out?
Do the honors.
You want to do the honors and air it out? So it airs out all the way. But you weren't expecting it to tuck in like that, huh? Yeah, it like goes down all the way. So if you double tap your middle button, the actual airlift button, double tap it, that's gonna be like your driving height. It's kind of like what your coilovers were at.
Yeah.
So that's like if you want to be driving still low, and then if you double tap the top one, that one, not the very top one, that one, that's like for like driveways and stuff. I think we had, oh, I didn't save it, but it's like you could control each individual bag. I'm trying to have it like at 120 psi, so it's like for like those steep driveways and hills.
You're gonna wrap next to it.
All right, for sure. Let me know. Let me know.
Yeah, the color, you can't decide. You wanted to.
All right, guys. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. First customer that we've had for airbags, and you know, there's gonna be more wrap customers later on, so you guys will see those videos again. You guys probably saw that G-Wagon that I had at home, but 2021, me and JD, we're gonna be getting a shop, so we'll be able to work on anyone's car and everyone's car. Whatever it is you guys have, you guys could bring it over to us. Even now, if you guys want us to do work on your cars, hit us up, me on Instagram or JD, and let us know what you guys need. The end of today's video, guys. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.